Good afternoon. My name is Kim Pendergast. I'm the CEO of Magnuson Products located in Ventura, California. We've been designing, manufacturing, and selling parts for the automotive market in California for 50 years, supporting over 50 employees and a nationwide network of over 300 dealers. I'm testifying in opposition to granting a waiver for California's Advanced Clean Cars 2 regulations for two principal reasons. The waiver will devastate small businesses across the specialty automotive aftermarket while simultaneously failing to advance the needs of California citizens. Our company embraced CARB and clean air from its inception, applying for executive orders on our products designed to make internal combustion engines more efficient. Our superchargers provide a pathway for consumers to buy vehicles with smaller, more fuel-efficient engines and use the superpower on demand. One example is choosing a smaller engine for your daily driver and using the power from the supercharger the few times a year you need to tow something. Our company is slated to be one of the casualties of the ban on ICE. We don't mind innovation, we thrive on it. What we do mind is being thrown out of work for something that is known to be costly and unachievable, and declared to be the winner in a technology race before all the options have a chance to be tested. We are in the motorsports industry, and we have two principles we live by. There are technology solutions to almost everything, and the results should be decided by fair competition. We are disappointed the EPA is considering handing off its responsibilities to California, which is employing a political solution to the problem, not one that relies on technological expertise that companies like mine can bring. Act 2 completely abandons the notion of fair competition under competing alternatives. We all have those alternatives, including hydrogen and ICE. Why are we not keeping them in our toolbox? And why let California ignore them? These political considerations, by the way, would wipe out my company and those like mine without a chance to have their talents tested. With other states following some or all of California's emissions regulations, the EPA is throwing away its responsibility for a third of the country to the whims of California. Thank you.